What's going on? What's cooking, good lookins? Haha, we're back in the man cave. We're chilling, we're villains. We're back on Decentraland, and guess what? We got another crazy ass event. Well, it's not really that crazy, but it's Heinekin. We got Heinekin now, stepping into the Metaverse game, stepping it up, and I mean, I don't blame him. Everybody is hopping in, and Decentraland is like the best Metaverse game that you can hop into right now, because it's just so easy to access. You just hop in, like, look, I'm hopping in right now. Boom. Oh shit. Look at the vibe, yo. Vibe check me. Shit. I mean, fuck it. We're chilling with the skateboard. We're chilling with the, yo, I don't even know, bro. Yo. Talk to the bouncer. Alright, well, let's just live real quick. Soon to be legal drinking age, though, but not right now. My actual birthday year is 2001. Sneaking into the fucking Metaverse bar. I don't normally drink. Oh shit, is there I guess we can't go back. I kind of want to get my fit cleaned up. I want to take pictures and shit. So. Am I about to be like dripped out right now in the Michi? Yo, this is a 1 out of 10. This is an
exotic. This is a mythic. 1 out of 10.
I think it's a vibe. I think it's a drunken vibe. Perfect vibes. Yo, come in. All your virtual friends are already waiting inside. Got the Minecraft fit on. I see you. All right, yo, we hopping in. Let's jump in. Oh fuck. What's up? What's the word?
Greetings, traveler. Who wandered to the cursed hut? You have dethroned the sorceress. And damn, that's a line from another game. Well, welcome to the Heineken virtual experience.
If anybody can figure out where that game reference is from, I will grant you 1 Ethereum. Leave it down below. I don't got water, bro. I'm moving with one hand right now. What's the word? Have I done this before? Damn, there's some Black Mirror shit right there. Yo, what the fuck? Why is that open? Can I hop in here? Nah. Look at me just chilling, like absorbing everything. Oh. Metaverse. Feel the smell of the digital barley. I'm gonna say yeah.
Weird, because I don't.
Alright, yo, you guys are dickheads right now. What do you gotta say? You guys think some nice shit?
This is the best thing our marketing department could think of.
Yeah, it is. It is. What's this? Oh shit! I just sent a fucking beer can into the Metaverse. Maybe. Oh shit. Weird happy? What's good? Let's fit check you real quick. G check your shit. Oh, he pulled up to the Heinekin with the Bud Light shirt, bruh. Alright, let's say hello. So, oh shit, this is cool. This is cool. I might just put on my glasses, bruh. It's glasses time. I don't got my contacts in, so I was just looking cute for you guys. I need to put my glasses on. Because this is cool. I'm trying to intake everything right now. What's this guy? Talk to beer tasting host. These buttons are crazy. Oh. Add wheat? Nah, fuck wheat. My girl's gluten intolerant, bro. Add rocket ship. What? Add moon. There's a moon now. What's this? Destination Cyber City. Alright, we're changing. Let's add a seagull. Let's add a beach ball. This is much better than the Bud Light shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sending it out. Cause not like this. Fuck are you looking at? Hey, you're crazy, bro. Don't talk to me. Let's send it out. Hey. I don't know. Alright, that's the Can Lab. What's this? Yo. You look like my ex-target audience. No. Ex-target audience, bro. You can eat my arse. I'm gonna taste this beer myself. What the fuck? Damn. These motherfuckers trolled me. Oh, shit. Beer tasting score. That shit tastes fucking floral. Floral coffee. Hey. Alright. This AI is too aware, bro. At one point, Decentraland is just gonna come alive like Monster House. Alright, whoa. What's poppin'? Damn, this is a lot, bro. This is a lot to take in. What's this? Try another look. Tap that shit open. Is it open yet? Damn, we couldn't open it either. All our hopes are pinned on you, no pressure. Wait, what? A famous recipe created in 1965. Yo, chill. I need you guys to relax. I need you guys to relax. I need you to relax. I'm talking to him. This machine's digital beer was prepared in the old days by my grandfather and his grandfather's grandfather. Shit right now, bro. I can open it. Bro, I literally... Nah, I'm out of here, bro. You guys are tripping the fuck out, bro. I opened that shit. Whoa, this is fire. This is sick, bro. Whoever built this, props, bro. Dembski Gallery vending machine. Yo. You good? You chilling, bro?
Congratulations, you made nothing. Come to the machine to take it away.
Hey. I turned nothing into something, so what are you talking about? Nah, you can't take a creature if you could. I can't take one fucking zip, bro. I caught it on camera. Yo, my son, yo, are you good? What is you talking about? I got a G-Shacky, right? Fuck out of here, yo. Everybody that's pulled up right now has a name except for Miss Fire. You're not that fire, though. This is fire. Damn, look at this view. We still gotta go to the second floor. I'm just checking up.
I'm so happy about making Heinekin the most meaningful brand video.
I'm Susis. Let's go to the second floor, bro. Let's go to the second floor, bro. POAP. I gotta get this shit before it runs out. This is rare. Yes! I got the fucking POAP, bro. In the near future, a POAP will cost the same amount as a fucking house, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the POAP. You know, you guys can see that shit for yourself. This is sick, bro. Honestly, I'm hyped, yo.
Hello, virtual beer lover. How about some virtual food too? It's on us. Don't be shy.
You're fly. I'm not gonna lie. Buffalo.
Truffles. Excellent choice, and not to have anything of this for real.
Eat gold. Why did I just eat gold? Just repeating shit. All right, we ate your food. So, I think I pulled up a little late. Nobody's here. Nobody's partying. That is, Dembski, you're fire. Whoa, that's trippy. No good we left behind, baby. That was it. That got me fucked up.
Welcome to Virtual Heineken Silver Cyber Beer Event. Coincidentally, my name is Silver Fresh Cyber 3. Yeah,
You're busting my balls, bro. I'm out of here. Yo? What's that?
This hat hurts.
Get me in, bro. Yo, you guys are killing it. I'm not gonna lie. Shorty just chilling in the middle. Yo, they got the Kanye West Babesters on. Yo. What's this, bro? Can you explain to me what the fuck is Cheers host? Please. This looks way too trippy for me.
Hello, I see you are virtually having a great time.
I'm your new best virtual friends and screen grab a picture of you having virtual fun.
Please post with a cool and relevant hashtag. Awesome Heineken marketing stunt.
I got you. I'll do it right now. Actually, no, I won't. This is fucking trippy ass shit, though. I feel like that song by like David Guetta with Lil Wayne and Chris Brown, even though Chris Brown's a fucking jackass. It's like, where you been? Where you? It's obvious that I want something for you. Yeah. So get the fuck out of my face. Got more to go. Yo, who is this guy? Yo. And this dude is just juggling the football. Yo. The ghost of I don't know, like we give this guy a name, like ghost of, I don't know. He has no prompt. He's just looking. Does this guy have a prompt? Nah, this guy is just on display. Juggling a clear ball. Yo, always fix your fucking back, bro. Yo, chill, leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone, bro. Yo, leave me the fuck alone, bro. I have to escape here. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. The goddamn food lady. What about here? Oh, fuck. I got this if I just sneak through here. Yo, beer with a saw head. Beer wild saw head. Yo, you need to get the fuck out of here, bro. Yo, exit. Alright, well. Oh shit. They can't see me. They can't see me. This motherfucker got a staff. If I just make a break for it. Don't fucking talk to me. Don't fucking talk to me. Yo. Fuck, they can't see me. They can't see me. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, leave. Yo, where am I? Yo, okay, so we got out. This man's name is Trails. Yo, Neon Cyber. This guy's got names and shit, so you know. Takashi Murakami and shit. Okay. That was pretty fun. Heineken Silver. Shout out Heineken Silver. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you guys for sticking with me. If you guys want more Decentraland videos, guys, leave 3 trillion comments down below, and I'll be picking 5 million winners to receive a free NFT. So, yeah. More shit soon. Whatever. Fucking high, bro. Y'all left me to die, bro.